Planning to ship your car to Northern Cyprus? Whether you're relocating, studying abroad, or just need your personal vehicle with you, here's everything you need to know to make the process smooth, legal, and cost-effective. Let's break it down. The average cost to ship a car from the US to Northern Cyprus ranges from $1,800 to $4,200. Prices vary based on your car's size, shipping method, and distance from the departure port. Pro tip: the most affordable method is container shipping by sea. There are 3 ways to ship your vehicle internationally: roll-on, roll-off, RoRo, best for cars without personal items. Container shipping, ideal if you're sending items with your car. Air freight, fastest but most expensive. To ship your car, your auto transport company, they'll guide you through the rest of the process and help you secure international transit insurance if your current policy doesn't cover it. Top delivery destinations include: importing a vehicle into Northern Cyprus comes with specific rules. That's it. Your complete guide to shipping a car to Northern Cyprus. With the right documents, the right transport company, and a little planning, your car will arrive safely and legally. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more international shipping tips. Safe travels.